China. Bing, 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 China. Bing, 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 China. Bing, 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 China. Bing, bing, bing.
All right, here we go. This is Jack Bauer from the Jack Bauer Studios. This is Free as for me here, Jack, coming to you here live. I'm on air, ready to bring you something here exciting, something that has been asked of me to do. So what is it? What is it? What are we looking to do here? We are looking to do some widgets. Widgets. You see this up here? Widgets for your builds, widgets for your Android boxes, Windows for your particular system, whether it's on the Windows or however you're using it. I'm going to show you how to make some widgets, okay? This might be a good guide as to how to help you do it on your particular skin. I don't know what you have, but I'm going to show you to you just as a skin here that you see here, which is the X Confluence or Confluence or Remastered Confluence, okay? You can incorporate this into your section, and I'm going to show you how to do it on your particular build if you can find it. So I'm going to show you to you. I'm going to bring it up right now just to show you what I'm talking about here, what I'm thinking. All right, so this is the build that I'm doing in my class that I'm doing for anybody that wants to learn how to make a build like mine. So what I'm doing is I'm going to show you to you this little side step here. Maybe we want to get rid of some of this garbage at the bottom. We want to make it easier. We want widgets, okay? We want some widgets up there. So how are we going to do this? How are we going to get it going without, you know, going over the edge, okay? So I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm going to bring you through this. This will show you how you can basically do it on your build. So let's go and check it out. Okay, so the first thing I want you to do, I'm going to call mine, see here, it's on Showtime. So what I want you to do is I want you to find your favorites. Find your favorites. I made a shortcut on mine. Let's skip it up over here. I made a shortcut on favorites. I no longer use this one. This is a different button that I'm using for fast power down. So the reason for that is this is on the Kodi 17 and 16, by the way. Kodi 17 and 16. I've now merged both of the Kodi 17 and 16 into one for the best tools available. And I made it over here. These are my favorites. I want you to clear out your favorites, remove it, get rid of it. Make sure this box is now blank. Whatever your favorites are, get rid of it. We're going to use that right now, okay? I want to go and create a Showtime widget. So how are we going to create the Showtime widget? Let's go into, I'm going to say Exodus, okay? I want to use Exodus. You're going to see how my widgets are just popping in there like that. That's what we're going to do for you. I'm going to go to my Exodus. Here's my Exodus tab. I made a shortcut for this as well. This is part of my chapters that I've been teaching people online. So here we go. I want you to go to TV shows in your Exodus. I want you to go to your networks. Then we're going to look for our networks here. This will work for anything, but my example today will be Showtime. You see Showtime? I'm going to right click, add to favorites. No, we don't care right now how much crap I got. So then what we're going to do is hit the home button, get out of here, whatever skin you're using, whatever you want to jump back to, and however you can get back to there. Because what we want to do is all basic skins have the same setup. You know, whether it's system or on the Kodi 17, it's called, you know, maybe interface. But what you're looking to do is to get in there. At some point, you want to either get into your interface or skin options, your add-on section, however it is, to get to your skin's appearance, okay? And then click on your skin settings appearance. And I know I saw that on the, I just did it on the 17. I set this X Confluence up here on the 17 perfectly. I'm loving this. So we're going to go to our home menu. You have menu options on your builds that you're going to have. This is what they're talking about, like when you see them pop in your builds. Somebody else has done it, or maybe you have done it. See, we're looking for Showtime. See, Showtime. That's what I called mine. Whatever you're trying to create a widget for, go to that. Then click on your widget set. Some builds, if it does work, you can make it in your favorites. On some, quite a few, this thing don't work. So what I'm showing you how to do is custom widgets, okay? No matter what, custom widgets. So now I want you to create, click it. That box is now blinking, right? It's blinking. All right, now what you're gonna do is minimize. because you're going to go to your C drive on your computer. Okay, you're going to go to your C drive on your computer. Now this only works if you've already on your computer have enabled to show hidden files. That's a key that was pointed out to me today. Make sure I remind the people from Jim. Jim is one of our users here, one of our favorite users. Jim says to tell you, go into your PC because this is how we're creating it. And you have to enable your view hidden files. And I believe it's somewhere in whatever your PC, whatever version you're on, go enable your hidden. I'm not sure what you're using, so I'm gonna move along. But back with the widgets. Okay, I'm gonna show you again. I'm going to my C drive. My hidden is open. I can see everything, all my hidden files. You're gonna go to users. You're gonna go to your name. I use mine as Bruce. Click on Bruce. Click on app data. Click on roaming. Look for your Kodi folder in your PC. Look for user data right here. See, user data. Then look for the favorites. Your favorites, remember we cleared it out except for one item. There it is. Favorites. Okay? Favorites, favorites, favorites. Now this is being done on the Windows PC 8.1. I love the Windows 8.1. So that's what I'm using right now. I'm selecting all. Edit. Copy. Close it up carefully. Close it. Don't monkey with it. Close it. Okay. Go to your notepad. Go to your notepad. Open up your notepad. Edit. Paste. And then what we want to do is we got to get to this plugin. So you got to take this little bar, move it over, please. Now we're going to delete this. Delete, delete, delete. Okay? This works on the PC. This is the easiest way to do it. This is how you make your widgets. If you're just trying to do it on Android, that's way too many steps, way too complicated. You got to do it on the PC, and then you're going to, for you people who know what I'm talking about, you're going to upload this then on your build back to your box. Okay? This is for people that just want to create the widgets and on their own builds. Okay? So here we go in the PC setting. Now I have it plug-in, okay? So now I'm going to go to Edit, select all, Edit, Copy, Kodi, on your keyboard, Control and V, okay? Control and V on your keyboard. Done. Get out of here. Close it, whatever skin you're using, close it out please. This is on the PC because I convert this, so I back it up on my Echo, which I will show you here in a second if anybody's interested. There's my widgets. See, it's showtime, okay? Hold on, showtime's coming. We were just on the CW. It's populating. Let it work. There's showtime now, okay? So there is showtime. We now have our widgets. They're generating for the first time. The first time will take a little bit longer than the rest of the times because I have mine set to go up to 50, okay? So then we can just scroll as it keeps going. Pick whatever you want. Shortcut. Perfect, right? So now on this garbage down here, I no longer want this. So what I'm going to do here, because I like the widgets, I like how it's looking now, right? I want to go back into the system. This is just a little bit of extra step if you want to clean yours up. I'm only doing it for the people that want to clean this up on their build. I'm going back into my appearance. I'm going back into my settings. Now I'm still in the showtime. And my sub-menu set, I'm going to clear it. See? I'm going to click it done. Click it done. Back to our showtime. Okay, see, showtime. I got rid of this garbage at the bottom because I'm changing this up for the class, back and forth. Anybody who wants to take the class, we're in chapter 1. I've updated chapter 1. It's rolling. Okay, see, widgets are in there. It's all set. It's all cool. I'm very happy with this. I'm going to leave some of my add-on shortcuts because I'm happy with that. But that's the widgets. That's exactly how you do it. And then to save this, you're going to want to close your Kodi and go from there. So once you have your widgets in here, once you have saved it, what you're going to want to make sure to do is you're going to want to, in order to get this back uploaded, because I'm assuming that your build is already on your PC, okay? It's already on your PC, because you will go back to your Echo Wizard. What I talk about all the time is the backup and restore feature. See right here, backup and restore. Maybe I got to do another video on this whole subject, I'm not sure. But I do it right here. When I'm done with my work, I do a full backup, and then I take that file on the cloud, and then I re-upload it back to my Android box. And that's what I do. That will be part of the class that I'll be teaching a little bit more in detail about this as we get along. Once again, that's how we created our Showtime. Bam! Alright? There it is. So this is your widget guide, okay? That's your widget guide. Hope I didn't do it too fast. Maybe you want to... Yeah, maybe you want to see another one. For anybody who wants to stick around, you want to see it done one more time, let's see if we make one pop here for... Let's see, I think I've already put NBC Networks in there. Yep, so you already got NBC Networks. You see how that's going? For anybody who wants to stick around and see how that was, how it looks. The CW, that's how it looks. See, I got them moving pretty good, right? And this is all part of the build that I'm making for the class, okay? So just go back, you know, I won't bore you again, but go back, and if you want to see how these widgets go, that's exactly how you do it. And here we are, back to Showtime. There you go, right? So there you go. That's a little bit of a tip on the widgets. You might have to watch this video a couple of times. I do apologize. I do not know what build that you have, but this will definitely point you in the right direction on the widget guide. So I truly hope that this has helped you and it will steer you into the direction as to how do I make widgets on my Aeon Nox, my Kodi 17, my Kodi 16, and so on. But as always, I recommend that you put it on your PC first to start working. That's about the only way I can recommend it to you. So once again, if you want further updates and you want to be part of the class, join the team and subscribe. Hit the thumbs up likes if you want to see this particular subject grow. If you want further subjects with regards to backup and restores, I'll be more than happy. All right, thank you very much.